how to create AI videos in HeyGen. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create AI videos in HeyGen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create an AI video in HeyGen, all we have to do is go ahead and then open up the HeyGen application and make sure that we are logged into our account. And once we've done this, what we want to essentially do is, I want to be able to create a video, right? Now there are many ways to create a video, but to explore all the tools, what I would recommend you do is go to this apps section, which is located from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Now from the app section over there, you can see various options like make video, translate video, or video tools. So depending upon whatever type of AI video you're trying to create, if you're trying to turn any photo into an avatar video, or any prompt to a video, or any cinematic clip, or any script to video, depending upon whatever your choice is, select that and select upload to video. Now from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and then select the most advanced models. Here you can choose to upload a photo and enter the avatar script. So the better you are at prompting the AI, the better the output of the video is going to be. So make sure that you write crystal clear in each and every detail possible if you're creating a avatar. If you're trying to create a prompt to video, then make sure you select your avatar properly, the voice and the style and everything else as such. And after you've done that, your AI videos will be created. Some of them are free, which will require you to have some credits available, but some of them could be paid, which could require you to have some subscriptions available. Either way, this way you will be able to create AI videos in HeyGen. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.